All right, we're learning the anatomy of the cat. Felis, I don't know, feline, whatever. All right, Mrs. Harvey.
Anterior side. This is pectoralis minor, and this is pectoralis major. This muscle up here is cat only. It's called pecto antebrachialis. It comes out onto the arm. It's the one that we don't need. So in order to find the ones that we do need, if we start down here in the center of the thorax, we can find the bottom edge of pectoralis minor, and then pectoralis major is on top of it, like a sheet on top, like a triangle. Okay? Alrighty. We've got... There we go. Okay. This is latissimus dorsi.
The flappy muscle.
Right. Starts up here under the arm and goes onto the back. This is the scapula right here. So on the anterior surface of the scapula is a muscle called subscapularis. It's under the scapula. It's anterior, but it's under. Okay. This is our serratus ventralis, shaped like a serrated blade, like a sawtooth blade. Okay. Serratus ventralis. Okay. Rolling back over. All right. The abdominal muscles. 3 layers. External oblique. The fibers are like your hands are in your pockets. Internal oblique is our second layer. The fibers go uphill, so it's opposite external. And then all the way on the inside, the most internal one, third layer, transversus abdominis. The fibers go relatively transverse, shifted a little bit down, but not as much as external oblique. Okay, so external, internal, transversus. And then over top of everything is rectus abdominis. The fibers are straight. That's what rectus means. So this is the edge of rectus abdominis. It starts here, up here under the pectorals, comes all the way down. Alrighty. We've got the thigh, okay, on the far lateral side. Tensor fascia latae. Has a funny name, and it has a funny band of tendon that attaches onto the knee. Right, okay. And it has a long tendon, a tensor, okay. That is actually underneath our sartorius. Sartorius was attached onto the knee, but it's cut for us to get underneath it. And underneath we find the quadriceps group. Rectus femoris, our hot dog in the bun. The bun is made of 3 parts, each called vastus. On the lateral side, vastus lateralis. Underneath, intermedius. Vastus intermedius makes up the bottom of the bun, and on the medial side is vastus medialis. That's a quadriceps group, the hot dog in the bun muscles. And then we have our adductors. Adductors here are underneath a muscle that is called gracilis. So it's cut and reflected for us. And what we find here is, starting from all the way up in the very corner, a tiny little adductor that is called pectineus. Okay? Next we go to adductor longus, which isn't very longus. It's this band right here. And then adductor femoris, which is usually split into 2 parts. Okay? It's rather large, adductor femoris. And then this is our semimembranosus right here.
And that is the anterior side of the cat.
Right.